How to create a logo in ClickDesigns. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create a logo in ClickDesigns. Just so you know, if you haven't gotten yet ClickDesigns through me, you get some pretty cool bonuses. You get 5 times free funnels. You get a 1-year membership of PLR free. You'll learn how to create membership sites. And then you'll know how to use Fiverr. How to market your PLR. Then you'll get email template mockups for your mockup services, which ClickDesigns is a mockup service-based software anyway. And then you'll learn how to rebrand your PLR. You'll get 100 high converting headlines, templates, and then you'll get Software Buyers Club. Here's where you can find the bonuses after checkout. Little green button. And you have the option to get the bundle deal or go directly to the checkout. Okay, so here is ClickDesigns. I'm in my own account of ClickDesigns. I do actually use it. Here are my designs I've used so far. And in this video, I will be creating a logo. Go to templates. We're going to go to logos. I'm going to create a logo for my own brand using this tool. Okay, here we go in the logos section. I'm going to figure out what would be a good logo for my marketing brand. Wait for them to pop up a little bit to see what they are. Again, the link to my bonus page is in the description box below. If you have not yet picked up just the front end of ClickDesigns. It's still a one-time fee, by the way. This is a great way to sell your services on Fiverr for logo creations, which is pretty cool. There's so many designs, to be honest with you. It's kind of hard to pick something. Here, trying to figure out. You know what? Just to save time, I want to go into entrepreneurship. to see if that'll change anything, the results. So I'm in internet marketing. Business and entrepreneurship. That's what you want at the same time. Click logos one more time for business and entrepreneurship. Here we go. In the right spot now. Affiliate business minds. There's so many cool logos, to be honest with you. I like this onepreneur thing, but I do like affiliate. I'll use this one. Marketing. Let's give it a second to load. I'll pause. Okay, we are here at the logo. Up. Me. Marketing. I like this. Pretty cool logo. I am gonna shrink that. Drag that back. That is. There we go. Much better. And then there you go. You can just kind of fiddle with it, keep it as is till you like it. This is why you should get it through me, because I give you a bonus and I can help you set up your Fiverr gigs and learn how to sell your services on Fiverr. Right here. With our Fiverr Masterclass, you'll get everything you need to start selling on Fiverr, including in-depth video preparation and video production training. Don't just buy a new tool, learn a new skill. So don't just buy this tool, get it through me and you'll learn a new skill using this tool, or you can just use it to sell your services on Fiverr, pretty much, like box shots, logo design, and more. Pretty cool stuff, in my opinion. So this is the logo wheel. You can add text, image, shapes, all sorts of shapes, by the way. You can add a lot of cool stuff. Add icons to make your logo stand out. Here's all the other icons, which is all premium stuff. For the logos, you can add a background if you wanted to add a background for your logo. PNG, gradient, or image background. illustrations. You can add an illustration to your logo if you wanted to, or add a QR code. And also you can add text. And here's where you can find your designs. And here are the templates. For your designs. So this is ClickDesign in a nutshell. You could just use it to make money on Fiverr or use it in your own business like I do. Because I've actually have used this so far for my Gumroad products, and it's really cool, high quality box shots and bundle designs and mock-up in general, and it's really cool stuff. You can click through my link down below. It'll help me out a lot, and I'll